Okay, you guys. So the wood for the subflooring is here. We completely finished all of the bones basically of it. So just so you know that's what you saw the last video. So that's done. So today we had the flooring delivered. And what's really cool about this is that we were rushing to get here because they call us a little bit ahead because we have to drive to get out here. But we weren't here when the guy came to deliver it. So what he did, which I think is so amazing since we only had 2 packages of it that we needed, which was 90 boards, he put one on one side and one on the other side so we don't have to carry wood back and forth. I mean, okay, we're gonna have to lift it, we're gonna have to put it on top, but I think the way that we would have probably done it is had him put it over there, which is where all the wood has been up to this point. But since we weren't here and they didn't have my wonderful expertise saying, yeah, put it someplace where it's gonna be harder for me, he went ahead and set it up so that we could just, it's like half and half. Amazing. I'm so happy. So this is what we'll be doing next weekend.